Hey everyone! In this video we're diving into Meta's latest and biggest AI model release yet, Llama 3.1. Let's get started. Meta has just unveiled Llama 3.1 405B, a groundbreaking AI model with 405 billion parameters. In simple terms, parameters are like the brain cells of an AI, and more parameters usually mean better performance. This model was trained using 16,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, leveraging the latest training techniques. Meta claims it's competitive with other top models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Llama 3.1 405B is open source and available on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It's also being integrated into WhatsApp and Meta.ai, powering chatbots for US users. This model is versatile, capable of coding, solving math problems, and summarizing documents in 8 languages, including English, Spanish, and Hindi. While it's text-only for now, Meta is actively working on multimodal capabilities. Meta used a massive dataset of 15 trillion tokens for training, refining their data curation and quality assurance processes. They also employed synthetic data, generated by other AIs, to fine-tune the model. However, there are controversies. Meta has faced scrutiny over using copyrighted content for training, and they're part of ongoing lawsuits regarding data use. One of Llama 3.1 feet-seconds standout features is its large context window of 128,000 tokens. This means it can handle and summarize long texts and maintain context in conversations better than ever. Plus, Llama 3.1 models can use third-party tools and APIs right out of the box, enhancing their functionality. Meta's strategy is clear: build a robust ecosystem around their AI models, offering tools and resources to developers, while pushing for widespread adoption. But it's not without challenges. Training these massive models demands significant energy, posing reliability issues for data centers. Meta is committed to advancing AI, aiming to be a leader in the field. Llama 3.1 represents a significant step forward, but it also highlights the ongoing challenges and ethical considerations in AI development. That's a wrap on Llama 3.1. What do you think about Meta's latest AI model? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.